So I'm on the way to one of my daughter's house, and the one who has COVID, and I'm going to bring her some remedy medicine that I made. I made some long time ago, a month ago. I made some garlic. Fermented garlic with ginger and turmeric and honey, and put a little bit of alcohol on it. So this is going to be very potent. Potent is very strong because it has been fermented for a very month and month and month. So this is going to be very, very good. I did take a picture, so you will be seeing this when I'm done uploading the video. So I'm bringing this, and I made some rice, some steamed rice with some fried shrimp, and then I bring this to her now. So those are very important medicinal because first of all they are fresh and they're homemade. And I'm going to tell you, my grandmother, I was raised like that. I didn't go to the doctor when I was a kid. Every single one of my aunts were like a medicinal guru, incredible women that could take anything from the earth and, bring someone from the dead bed. And so I have gathering these valuable information through my youth, and now as an adult I'm able to use all these. So I'm certainly grateful for that. So I will be showing you all these things, and now I'm going to show you about this, where I'm going in here. So this is we're in New Kaipa right now, and this is where I'm going right now. I'm going to my daughter, and I'm going to bring her all the medicine that I made, homemade, the strong garlic, fermented garlic that's been fermented for almost over a year now. So the fermentation, the longer it ferment, the strong and potent it's going to be. Potent is going to be like it's very, very strong. So natural medicine, this is something that I have brought as a baby, so this is something that I was brought from my mother, mostly from my grandmother. So this is going to be very good. So I'm bringing all these to my daughter, and this is where we're going right now. My cooking over here, mushroom, the blood, I'm not sure the name of in English, but these are long green vegetables. Then I have figs inside, tomatoes. So this is shrimp sauté, garlic, butter, and cayenne pepper. So today I went to the market, and I have decided to buy some highly nutritional ingredients. And because of the weather in California has been very, not as it used to, I cannot say it has been very bad, because it is very good for the earth to be, raining. But in certain part of the United States, it is not just raining, it is snowing, it is very cold. So I went to the store and I bought some highly nutritional ingredient in here, And I have, in this spot, I have decided to get lots of green. And you know, green is very good for your health. It boosts your immune system. Is very good and fighting against cold. So there's a lots of green and this spot. And when I say to eat a green, I mean green. If you see the green, yes, they are green. So I have selected a green, and I have got some shrimps, and of course some roasted garlic with some cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper is a very potent ingredient to boost your immune system, especially when it's very cold outside, when it's raining, and when it's so many diseases coming back and going around. You want to make sure you really boost your immune system, and these are the most potent ingredient that you can infuse your body. Lots of green, lots of cayenne pepper, and lots of garlic. And if you are not allergic to shrimp, go ahead and have some. So today I went to the store and I fell in love with this beautiful mushroom. I did purchase the shiitake mushroom, but when I saw this, I decided I was going to make this mushroom. Now this mushroom have a very, very highly nutritional and potent ingredient for your health, for your body, for your immune system. So that is why I selected this mushroom. But let's go on to the next picture and see what do we have more. So today this video is all about health, keeping healthy, and staying away from certain food that lower your immune system, which is salt and sugar. These two items you will need to stay away from it. Now, not everybody is able to eat citrus, which is very good, pineapple, oranges, mandarin, lemon. All these are very good, but not everybody is able to eat this or drink this. So you have to find an ultimatum that works for you, because what works for you may not necessarily works for somebody else. So what I have done for many, many years, even when I was a little girl, is the ginger shot mixed with the turmeric, and you extract this juice and you drink this. No mixing. So this video, my friend, has had a lot of stumble and fall. I had to upload a video so many times, and by the time I upload, unfortunately, I could hear the sound. I couldn't find my face. I changed computer, but one computer crashed down. Well, there we are. I hope you have enjoyed this video, because I did put a lot of work for you to inform you. And please do not forget to subscribe. Give me a comment. Let me know what do you think. What do you think about these oyster mushroom? Some of them work for you and others don't. I do believe on the fresh one work for me The part 1 do not. But please, my friend, do not forget to give me a like and please subscribe to my channel. That would help me creating more vivid and vibrant channel and video for you. This is Chantal Pons. Au revoir, merci et à très bientôt.